When we travel, eating out sounds fun until you actually try to do it every single day. And after being diagnosed with RA, how we eat had to change big time. And let me tell you, finding food that works for us on the road is way harder than just run through somewhere. The good news? We can cook almost anywhere. Hotels, hikes, roadside pull-offs that look mildly questionable, with 5 simple things we never travel without. These are our ride or die travel cooking staples. So let's get into it. This little stove, absolute MVP. The Fire Maple Fixed Star #1 is compact, lightweight, and ridiculously easy to use. It's an all-in-one system, so everything nests together nicely. No rogue pieces floating around your bag. We use it for morning coffee, which is non-negotiable, simple breakfasts, full meals when we're feeling fancy on the trail. We love using this at hotels when we have a balcony or outdoor space, and it's obviously perfect for hiking and outdoor adventures. Here's an important public service announcement though. This stove is for outside use only, not indoors, not in your hotel room, not just for a second. Outside, always. I repeat, do not use it indoors. Now this little guy is a game changer. This is a 500 watt, 110 volt mini induction cooktop. And yes, you do need access to power, but if you're staying in a hotel, oh, this changes everything. We use this inside hotel rooms, in our camper, anytime we want to cook inside without using gas. It heats up evenly, doesn't take up much space, and is perfect for quick meals when eating out just isn't happening. Sometimes you just want real food without putting pants back on. This helps. If we had to pick one pot to rule them all, this would be it. This ceramic pot is small, lightweight, super versatile. The handle detaches, which makes it amazing for travel. And yes, it can even go in the oven because sometimes you want to feel like a real chef in a hotel room. We use this pot constantly, and we genuinely don't leave home without it. This is our backup MVP and sometimes our first choice. A single burner butane stove is fast, reliable, and super easy to set up when we're cooking outside, in a picnic area, or right next to the car. The heat control is excellent, the fuel is easy to find, and it's perfect when we want something simple without unpacking a full setup. It's one of those tools you don't realize you need until you really need it. This one might seem extra, but hear us out. A cast iron Dutch oven is incredibly versatile and lets us cook real hearty meals while traveling. Soups, stews, braises, sourdough, even pizza. It works beautifully on a camping stove, a butane burner, or over-controlled heat, and it holds temperature like a champ. Yes, it's heavier when we're car camping, in a camper, or staying somewhere for more than a night. It's absolutely worth the space. This is how we make travel food feel like home-cooked food. So these are our 5 favorite travel cooking essentials that let us eat well anywhere without stressing, guessing ingredients, or surviving on sad road snacks. We'll also drop links in the description if you want to check them out. Now get out there, cook good food, have an adventure, and as always, be free. See you in the next adventure.